Chebe is not the only beauty secret, quote unquote, that we have in Chad. There are many more, and today I want to tell you about one of the best kept secrets of Chadian women, sesame oil. See you. Hi, this is Salwa Petersen, and today I want to tell you everything about sesame oil. This is my popular demand. Lots of you have been asking me about oils and other beauty rituals from Chadian women, and if there is one absolute favorite oil in Chad, it is sesame oil, preferably organic. And sesame is actually one of the most exported crops that we have in Chad. So we export a lot of sesame, we consume a lot of sesame, both for food, so we do the oil of course, but we also do tahniya. Tahniya is you also find it's called halva, also in other parts of the world. So we do that also, and we use it in all kinds of sweets and cooking, and most importantly we use it also in beauty. So for beauty we use it part of a chebe. For those who know, when you're making chebe, when you're roasting it, if you're doing really the finest, the highest quality chebe, you usually add a little bit of sesame oil, just enough for the roasting. So this is one use of of sesame oil during the chebe ritual. We also use it to alternate. If you remember my video from my series, I will link it here. You remember that you apply chebe powder, you alternate with the oil and cream and water. So sesame is usually a favorite oil. And we also use it in another beauty ritual, which is called karkar. So what is karkar oil? Karkar oil is basically sesame oil infused with all kind of beautiful ingredients, including sandalwood, and it's gorgeous. And the scent is just amazing. And what we do with it is we do skincare, we do hair care. I love that dry oil. I mean, it's just amazing how it feels. And when you look at the science of sesame is great because sesame oil actually is full of vitamins, especially vitamins B, which are particularly good for skin care and also hair care. And sesame oil is also full of, minerals. It's super hydrating. It's very, very nourishing. It's an amazing oil, and I really think that it's a very much underrated oil because you see so many other oils everybody's talking about, but sesame is great. In other cultures too, it's great. For example, in ancient Egypt, it was very prized. Grains. It was written in some papyrus that are like 1500 years old, and when Tutankhamun, the pharaoh, when his tomb was found, they found some sesame seeds in there. And also it's very much part of Ayurveda. Also it's used as a massage oil in Ayurveda, in many rituals, and also as a remedy. It's very, very popular all across Asia as well. So yeah, then it's a great oil. And the way I suggest that we use it is, if you use chebe, it's definitely one ingredient to alternate with. And even if you don't use chebe, you could use the sesame oil as a pre-poo to hydrate your hair, to nourish it deeply. You can use it as a hot oil treatment, where you basically just warm a little bit for oil, you put it on your hair, and you put like a shower cap or a towel, which is to just wrap warm and let it stay for 15 minutes or so. It's fantastic. It makes really, really beautiful, great hair. And of course on your skin, especially for our kind of skin, when it gets harsh and in winter and then we become ashy, actually karkar oil or just plain sesame oil is great. If you want me to do a video specific to karkar oil, I'll be happy to do it at some point. And so that was it for sesame. It's a fantastic oil. Hope you include it in your rituals. And next week I'll be back if you want me to do so. As some of you asked, there are many oils that we use in Chad. I'll be back with that. In the meantime, if you're enjoying those videos, remember to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Find me also elsewhere on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and visit my site at salwapetersen.com. See you soon. Bye.